The courtroom buzzed. All eyes were on Rakeem Mayers, better known as $AP Rocky. He was facing serious charges. 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm. The case stemmed from a heated confrontation back in 2021. AP Rocky, a prominent figure in the hip-hop world, found himself in a legal battle that could have landed him behind bars. The incident unfolded on a November night in Hollywood. AP Rocky and his former friend Terrell Efron, also known as AP Relly, clashed. Their past bond, forged in the crucible of Harlem streets, had fractured. The prosecution alleged that during the altercation, AP Rocky fired a gun at Efron, injuring his hand. The charges sent shockwaves through the music industry and beyond. The trial promised to be a high-stakes affair. The trial began in January 2025 at the Clara Shortridge Foltz Criminal Justice Center in Los Angeles. Judge Mark Arnold presided over the proceedings. The courtroom became a stage for a legal drama. AP Rocky, dressed impeccably in tailored suits, cut a striking figure. His partner, the global icon Rihanna, was a constant presence, their 2 young sons RZA and Riot Rose often accompanying her. Her presence, a symbol of unwavering support, spoke volumes. The prosecution, seeking a guilty verdict, presented their case. They pointed to grainy surveillance footage of the altercation. They played a frantic 911 call, capturing the chaos of that night. Efron himself took the stand, testifying for 5 days. He painted AP Rocky as the aggressor, the one who brandished a gun and fired. The prosecution's case hinged on Efron's testimony, and the hope that the jury would see AP Rocky as a hothead who resorted to violence. The prosecution's case had weaknesses. They were unable to produce the gun. No shell casings were found at the scene, casting doubt on Efron's claim of being shot at. The defense seized on these inconsistencies, relentlessly poking holes in the prosecution's narrative. AP Rocky's defense team, led by seasoned attorneys, mounted a vigorous defense. They argued that AP Rocky was carrying a prop gun, not a real firearm that night. The gun, a Glock 26, was a common sight on the set of music videos, used to add a gritty realism. The defense presented witnesses who testified to AP Rocky's frequent use of prop guns in his work. They argued that AP Rocky, ever conscious of his image and safety, often carried a prop gun for protection. The defense also questioned Efron's credibility. They highlighted his $30 million lawsuit against AP Rocky, suggesting that Efron had a financial motive to lie. They painted Efron as an opportunist, seeking to profit from his past association with AP Rocky. The defense's strategy was clear, so doubt in the minds of the jurors. The trial was not without its dramatic moments. Rihanna's presence during closing arguments, cradling their newborn son, Riot Rose, was a powerful image. It humanized AP Rocky, reminding the jury that he was not just a celebrity defendant, but a partner and a father. The contentious exchanges between Efron and AP Rocky, their past friendship dissolving into acrimony, provided a glimpse into the complexities of their relationship. After weeks of testimony, arguments, and deliberation, the jury reached a verdict. Not guilty, the foreman declared. The words echoed through the courtroom, met with gasps and a collective sigh of relief from AP Rocky supporters. He had been acquitted on both counts. The weight of the charges, the possibility of a lengthy prison sentence, lifted from his shoulders. Rihanna, her face etched with emotion, embraced AP Rocky. His mother and sister, who had been a steadfast presence throughout the trial, wept openly. The courtroom, which had been thick with tension, erupted in celebration. AP Rocky, his face betraying a mix of relief and vindication, exited the courtroom a free man. The verdict was a significant victory for AP Rocky and his legal team. It underscored the principle of innocent until proven guilty. The prosecution, despite their efforts, had failed to convince the jury beyond a reasonable doubt. The lack of concrete evidence, the holes in Efron's testimony, and the defense's effective counter-arguments all contributed to the not guilty verdict. The verdict resonated beyond the confines of the courtroom. It sparked conversations about race, celebrity, and the criminal justice system. AP Rocky's case, like many high-profile cases before it, highlighted the disparities and biases that often plague the legal system. It underscored the importance of a fair trial, a robust defense, and the presumption of innocence. With the legal battle behind him, $1 AP Rocky is now looking towards the future. His career, which had been put on hold during the trial, is set to resume with renewed vigor. He is scheduled to headline Rolling Loud California, a testament to his enduring popularity. His highly anticipated album is expected to drop soon, promising to be a chart topper. $1 AP Rocky's acquittal is a reminder that even amidst accusations and legal challenges, there is always a path forward. His story is one of resilience, of navigating the complexities of fame and the justice system. As he steps back into the spotlight, he carries with him the lessons learned from his ordeal, a newfound appreciation for freedom, and the unwavering support of his family, friends, and fans. The stage is set for $1 AP Rocky to reclaim his narrative, to continue to make his mark on the world of music and beyond, his voice amplified by the experience of having stared down his demons and emerged victorious.